Yeah, it's just a different feeling.
Hey, let's go to this gas station right here.
Nah, let's go to Shell or some shit.
I mean, yeah, but like this gas station right here is low key. Like cops aren't gonna pull in there with this one.
Oh, you don't got your plate on?
No, do you have your plate on?
No.
None of us got our plate on. I mean, it's not low key. I guess it's just as high key as all the other gas stations, but it's quickest.
419.
Love it. Thanks, Biden. This dumb motherfucker just leaves his car right down the middle. Fucking idiot.
We're following you, so don't be a fucking pussy on this ride.
Me?
Yeah, so don't think you can lose any of us either.
Are you saying like I can't lose you or don't lose you?
What?
Are you saying like go fast or something? Or are you saying like don't go fast?
I'm telling you to go fast. What are you doing?
We're going left.
There's a curb.
You can go over the curb. Alright. Wish Andy had a mic already. This is a fucking speed run. Ask him for it. We're asking for this shit. Why are we so reckless? Why are we being so reckless right now? I'm actually not cold at all. I'm getting fucking hit with rocks. I think it's Andy. He's spraying the fuck out of me. Damn. You can get it up today. Sorry, Mom. I didn't mean to go that fast. Oh, I gotta catch up to you guys. I got fucking locked in. Yeah, I'm about to catch up right now, though. Well, now this other car just blocked me in. I see you guys. Fuck. Stuck behind this semi or else I catch up to you guys right now. Come on, you slow fuck. Come on, you slow fuck. Alright, nice. I successfully caught up. Nah, because I fucking got stuck behind that one car and that fucked me. Oh, it's definitely tight. Is that what we doing? Here's what you got. That's pretty sick.
The whole leg got fucking wet.
From what?
I don't know.
Hey, lane's coming over, Chris. Lane's coming over. Fuck.
Hey, we gotta get off.
Why?
I got I think I like blew a hose or some shit.
You got what?
I blew a hose or something.
Oh, really?
Because I got my whole fucking like left leg got wet.
You don't think you hit something? Like
No,
a puddle?
No, I definitely did not.
I smell it. We gotta get off anyways at the next street, Halstead.
I can't be going fast because I don't want to slip.
Yeah. Where the fuck's Andy, dude? Did you tell him?
No, I didn't.
Not at Wentworth, but get off at the next one. Yeah, get in the right lane. Get in the right lane. We're on 90. Pretty much, this is 95th and Halstead almost.
Dude, yeah, I felt something like butt burst. Like it was so fucking weird.
Like a water balloon just popped on you?
Yeah, or something. Like I thought somebody fucking like blew something on me.
You gotta go straight. I'm gonna hit this fucking hobo.
Hey, my bike just died.
Did it? Here, pull,
Hey.
pull in this gas station. Pull in this gas station.
Right here, right here, right here.
Fuck.
A line or something bursted up.
Huh? You're leaking?
Yeah.
Coolant.
I have no coolant.
Huh?
I have no coolant.
You got no coolant?
The shit burst while you were riding.
No way.
He's like, my leg's wet. What should we do? Fuck. How are we gonna get this shit towed back? You said your bike just died, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're fucking stuck then if your bike just died.
Thermostat.
What's up?
Thermostato.
Oh shit. Yeah, dude, that's a little fuck, that's crazy.
Alright guys.
Take it easy, man.
See you, Chris. Thanks for coming to get us. I'd rather my shit be like kind of on front.
And that's like she want me.
Are you scared, pussy?
Yeah, my shit getting stolen. Been a while since I've been here.
Yo.
Rico Benny's will always remind me of Eddie Varela.
Yeah, Eddie, why?
Rest in peace. Because he used to live over here.
Why are you? Are you still over there?
Yeah.
See?
Rest in peace, Eddie Varela. He used to love coming here. Oh yeah, face mask required. You could suck my dick.